What is going on, everybody? This is the quick, brief recap for my day on Friday, 7/30, 2021. I traded these Tesla calls from 14 cents to all the way to 44 cents. I only had 10 of them, but I made a good return on those 10, probably like 250% at the top, and I made like $180 right there. I tried to play this Zoom play in the morning, but I wasn't able to get in like with really good premium. I kind of bought at hard, but I still made a profit there for from a dollar to like 115 at the hard, but I still made $55 there. That was a really good trade. Now I took Regen RAGN at, let me see, pull up this. Hold on. I took Regen because there was like news on it, like COVID news, and I know Regen is like a really big mover. So then these contracts were extremely cheap. Um, I bought four of them at 20 cents. I tried to get filled with five of them at 20 cents, but it only filled me with four. But besides that, it was a really good trade at Hod. It was a 300% play right there. The only reason why I didn't go in with more contracts was because like there was like no liquidity within the contract, so I wasn't able to like go all in. You know what I'm saying? And there was some good, really good follow through in this name right here. If this would have hit 590, these contracts would have went crazy, bro. But besides that, I had to slowly scale out of this trade due to the fact that there was nobody here, so I had to open up the spread for myself because nobody else wanted to help me within the chain. So yeah, I was slowly getting out at 35 cents, 45 cents, 80 cents, and the last one I sold at 40 cents. Now, if somebody would have helped me spread this chain up, I definitely would have got a better fill out because this was a nice, really nice move from 74 to 81, bro, and the premium like basically almost like didn't even move. Like if you really look at it, it didn't really move at all. It's just that I caught the premium so cheap that it feels like it moved a lot. That I got a 300 percenter with one contract there. But besides that, the premium did not move how it was supposed to like move. You know what I'm saying? But besides that, that was a really good trade. Um, I took I took a couple L's right here on AXL. Now I know why I don't take like news pops with stocks that are less than $50. Literally, once I got in, it literally started dumping on me. Thank God somebody, hold on. I got filled at 68, and thank God somebody filled me out at 60 with 10 contracts. I don't know who filled me out at 60 off that dumpage right there, but somebody filled me out. Thank God. Shout out to you if you're watching the video. You literally just saved my day cause that premium dumped all the way to like 35 to 40. It was crazy. It was news on it like like I think they were teaming up with like Neo for like lithium batteries and stuff like that. But this was something that I never should have played. One, there was earnings yesterday, which I didn't know about. But two, this stock was less than $50, and I don't like trading news off stocks that are less than $50 because it's way harder for them to move for the contracts to bust. You know what I'm saying? Sorry, I'm speaking really fast, but I'm trying to get through all of these trades right now. But besides that, I took an Amazon play. It kind of X'd itself out there due to like my exit right here. I bought two at 247, sold one at 263, and then sold one at 224. I took a $7 L right there due to like the execution on fucking TOS. Like shout out to TOS for stealing all my money there. And I took a pins contract. It really dumped like for earnings. Amazon as well, but post COVID, obviously, like there's gonna be less users and less people buying stuff. But at the same time, I feel like Pins has like grew like their website way bigger than if COVID would have never happened. So I still think there's lots of interest on Pins. There was a lot of call buying for like September and December, like for like the $70 calls, and There's just a lot of upside on pins. Besides, like this earnings call, you know what I'm saying? Let's see what it was. It was earnings estimate was negative 11 cents, and the actual was plus 25. So that's really good. And there's still huge upside for pins right here. I thought it was gonna moon because usually like it kind of follows Snapchat a little bit. So then I thought it was gonna moon, but it didn't. But it's totally fine. I'm gonna just hold these contracts. If there's an even better opportunity to buy in more on Monday, I'll buy some more contracts for September. But yeah, I took a pins contract for 52 cents, which is really cheap. I'm definitely gonna add more to this position right here. Uh, I took off the CNC trade right here. There was a lot of put buying for next week. If the trade looks good for Monday, I'm probably gonna buy back in with like 20 contracts. I mean the premium wasn't even that expensive, but I just didn't want to get caught like in a bad position on Monday, and I already had too much exposure with like the pins and the Tesla contracts that I'm gonna show you guys. So I bought in at 30 yesterday, and I sold at 25 today for a $25 L. It should bounce here. It looks like it's gonna bounce here for Monday. If we get a nice strong bounce here, I'm definitely gonna buy back in because it seems like the people who bought in for December are still there. Like the $80 calls, look, 11,300 volume, and yeah, that's pretty much it. No, open interest and then 98 volume. But besides that, the last trade that I took was Tesla. I double dipped on these 850 calls. There was a really strong push towards the end of the day, but I bought around here for 10 cents a contract, which is a steal. Cause I first got them at 14 cents and they ripped all the way up to 44. And Tesla didn't really move as much today. So all it takes is for Tesla to move like a couple more dollars up, and this premium is gonna bust crazy. I took 20 of them at 10 cents, literally at lot of day, literally lot. Well, at 7:42 they were at 6 cents, but besides that, literally it was a really good price that I got them for. So I got 20 for 10 cents. They were up like towards like the end because it started ripping out of nowhere, but I just held them for next week. If we get a good gap up, and these contracts open up at 70 to 80 cents, that's literally gonna be crazy, bro. It's literally gonna be insane. It's gonna be like an 8 times, or I don't know, something like that. But besides that, this was a really good risk to reward trade. The most this can dump to is like 5 cents, 4 cents, and that will be like a $150 L. But that's really nothing compared to like the reward I can make on this next week. So that's why I took this trade. These are type of trades that you want to swing. You don't want to put in almost half of your account to a trade. If this 200 if this $200 is gone, that's only 2.5% of my account. So you have to make sure to manage your risk and try to find trades like this with a lot of upside potential and very minimal downside potential. I mean Tesla can dump all the way down here again, and the contracts probably go to 5. The most I'll lose is $100. But the most I could win here is, I mean, if Tesla passes 700, like this premium can go crazy. But we will see about that on Monday. Besides that, I'll see you guys on Monday. I hope you guys had a great trading day. And yeah, it says I'm up 265, but that's because of the open contracts. But for the day, I'm gonna just put on the title that I'm up 230. Yeah, 230. And yes, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys Monday and have a great weekend. Peace out. GG's.